Building your support network. As with anything, a good support network is everything. When it comes to empowering your life, it can be so difficult to find the resources that you need at times. The key that many successful people aren't telling you is that they became successful because they surround themselves with other successful people. Humans are social animals. We are constantly taking cues from the people around us about how to behave. If we are surrounded by caring and generous people, we become more caring and generous ourselves, whether subconsciously or consciously. When we are surrounded by negative, defeatist people all the time, then we start to become more negative and defeatist ourselves. This can have a huge impact on whether or not we are priming ourselves for success. When we're not priming ourselves for success, we are priming ourselves for failure. It is that simple. You should always think about the types of energy that your peer group is subjecting you to. If they are a positive group, then you're going to be more prone to have positive thoughts and interactions, whether you're interacting with that group or not. If they are negative, you can expect that you will begin to act and feel more negatively as time wears on. It is extremely important to ensure that you are giving yourself the chance to interact with other successful people. When you surround yourself with people who are displaying the characteristics that you want to have yourself, it becomes easier for you to develop those characteristics simply by spending time with those people. They rub off on you in a most wonderful way, priming you to succeed in the ways you hope to succeed simply by being achievers. Of course, it's not the only thing you have to do to be a successful person, and it also helps to have a support network of friends and family that are completely supportive of you and who you can hold yourself accountable to. When you are talking to people about your plans and they are asking questions about how you're doing and how things are coming along, you become more motivated to get to work and make sure that you are not letting them down. Having people that hold us accountable to achieving our goals may seem cringeworthy to those of us who are used to being a lower grade version of ourselves, especially if we are used to making plans and not following through with them. But by following the advice in this training, you will be well on your way to taking the steps that need to be taken in order for you to be the best version of yourself possible and to provide yourself with the confidence you need to believe that mastering your destiny is possible. Goal. Make a list of the people in your life who are doers and achievers, the people you know will support you no matter what and hold you accountable for achieving your goals. If you haven't told them about your plans and goals yet, you should make it a priority to do so and let them know that you would appreciate their support in this new and exciting venture in your life.